Hey شكرا welcome back to my channel can make انهم كبرات عزبتي لمعتي عدالي لهم مرة بزعبا ما عدي خون كريكم خم ميجركم زين قللتي ما عدتات ناي قرص الصرحة كريكم نايت أميو فيجانيو is قليل بتقريني أم بإنجليش خون زي فيديو سناي مخططان. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make these delicious and yummy, yes, so yummy vegan breakfast meals. They're super easy to make. You guys can make them at home. They're easy and they're delicious. So this video is going to be in English and in Tigrinya, so I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. اوكي حجي انا اقطركم نت اسبيزا دس بلكم عبيك صرحتكم ابزح عبيلكم نت فيجيتابلز تقوميهم. اوكي انت فريتا تاخن صراحه خوينا انت هندلينا عتر و تريو لكم زي عتر ماي مشات ماي كوفابيله على خيئه شعو مس على قوه مس قربتي عبي مس بالخا تفلطيهم تفلحوا لكم تبقى بروتينيو من على نسوات طماط طمت لهم or just normal كل جزء سجادة وعطوكم is it a source of protein. So yeah, I'm going to be using chickpeas. I'm going to use chickpeas. You guys can use a can if you're lazy. If you're not, you guys can soak it overnight and let it soak overnight. Boil it the next day. Crush it up like I did right here in this video. حتى كده لخنا تعتر مسافلح قوة قرتي أبزحي ليوم الزحالقة بفاركتاري أو بخمزناي vegetable crusher غيركم تحرموا إخم كم زخخون. أوكي حجي كنجمبر أنت فرتاتكم صراحة تفضل إخم زيتي غيركم pan بزيتي دس بالكم زيتي تتقموا أنا grape seed تتقم ناي فري ناي تايهم تقولوا grape فرينا ويني وفرينا ويني أخذ تقم تسقم زيتي أدفعتو and it's more healthier so أخذ تقم جن دس بالكم زيتي تتقميهم and panكم غيركم you know تقلوهم. So I'm going to be using grapeseed oil. That's the oil that I use, especially when it comes to frying or cooking, because it's a healthier version. It's packed with vitamin E, so I like using it, and it's good for when you're making high heat cooking. It's good for that, and it's good for your heart. But you guys can use any type of oil that you have at home, and you guys are just gonna fry them. Not fry them, but, you know, saute is what you're gonna do. So you guys are gonna let it saute for a little bit and let it get a little soft. I just felt ياكم زعجركم. Okay حجي مس قربتي مس بسلة تاخد قوريهم زين كلمات كدليهم. Okay curry. Okay أبدأ أحط لكم curry powder كتقوميهم. Okay curry powder garlic powder هاخد تقوميهم. كالوها coriander powder هاخد تقوميهم. أبزل على خط أحفلكم. So once everything gets a little, like, you know, as you guys can see, it's getting a little soft. What I like to do is I like to add the spices to it. Oh, also pink salt I like to use pink salt, garlic powder, curry, coriander powder. I think I said garlic already. Garlic, a little bit of cumin as well. I just like to put that in there. This gives it flavor. This is gonna give your quote unquote vegan egg, okay, egg burrito, it's gonna give it some flavor. Okay, so that's the most important thing, especially with vegan foods. You always have to flavor it up so it tastes good, right? I mean every food actually, but with vegan food a little bit more. So كندولكم curry powder خداليهم, cumin powder خداليهم, pink salt أنا تتأكد جن جو دس بالكم جو خدتكميهم دلكم أبغزهم, cumin, coriander, curry, garlic, and then so once you put all the yummy, very very yummy seasonings in there, you guys are gonna just let. Okay, شو تعيد قبل إخهم إن تدبسله عتر توهم دبسله جن هرمول لكم كانت دبسله عتر okay يبلكم تخوينو عتر like بعلوخ تجوزوا نقطعوا تجوزوهم أب canned عتوه كن canned عتوه تبخنا because you know can they all get rid فطونهم preservatives قبل لهم is better قليل نجار يوجن تبخنا كل كذا كود قليل نجار تبو نجار كونن okay سمحواتي I like to use تاشمو أبعلى أفلي حياة فتو أنا خجبر جنيا so مس بلحة okay نتن عتر هرمونيكم هاريمكم كا أبزت تويهم okay so as you guys can see I was speaking in Tigrinya but I'm back in English now what I did was the night before I soaked it boiled it and I crushed the chickpeas and I just put the chickpeas right into all that flavor and all those veggies right there and I am just going to as you guys can see spin it around you know use your wrist and just you know spin everything together put everything together and let it cook a little bit so now the flavor from the spices and the vegetables can actually go into the chickpeas you guys can add a little bit more curry okay حجي قربتي curry powder وسخلو لكم تدلخم توسخ لكم تدلخم إنه دس لكم أنا قربتي وسخ الله جن curry حجي not only مقرت نايت مقبت عمكو جورو إجن حبري خاخوي حجي خمسك أقوحه خم نبلد لنا كم مثلا because bitch أيو مش أقوحه bitch أيو شو قربتي تدلخم قربتي ماي توسخ لكم قربتي جن بزو حي تقبرلو قربتي ماي تقبرلو بفنجال حجي تا حنت فنجال ماي تجركم الله تبقى out to قربتي كيد أبقى أو up to pan so I'm gonna add a little bit of water just a little bit don't put too much water this is just gonna help the flavor kind of soak into the chickpeas and then it's also going to not let it stick on the pan okay حجي مسبسلة كل نجار قربتي كزحلالو كمان مقبرنا up to flatbread okay so once this finishes cooking up you're gonna let it sit aside and just cool down a little bit before you add it to the flatbread okay so tin flatbread أنا تقام دلخو is the Flex Oak brand and whole wheat bread يختقام أنا comes pita عينتو ab America تنو تخونكم ab Costco ab BJ's هم زترخبو or ab call it like Whole Foods ka also ترخبو هم Trader Joe's also it's good high protein you ab call عدتات ab Europa تلخم I don't know I wait ترخبو again كومن دماساسل نجار ترخيكم to go to yeah so I'm gonna be using this Flex Oak brand whole wheat lavish bread okay it's high in protein it has flex it has oat it has wheat it's good for you it's good for your digestive system I like using it and it has omega-3s which are very important to our heart and our brain don't forget omega-3s in your diet this bread I actually got this from if you live in the United States if you follow me and you're from the US you will find this at Costco or at BJ's people that follow me in other countries I don't know where you would buy it but you might find something similar to it in the country that you live in you just have to go to the supermarket and see if you guys can find it but yeah this is very very good to put you omega-3 allow omega-3 han libna and hangolna to but vitamin koning and antioxidants you nahangolna so good that's you ab kullu gize nibal omega-3s and omega-6 come together okay كيترس اوزم حواتي تعنا okay حجتان قبره دس بالكم سلطة تقبرهم up to flatbread سلطة أخو قبر ليه so what I'm using أنا بتكمل دلخو جرجر spinach أنا بتكمل دلخو because كم سلطة تبلع أنا جن يبلكم تخينو خمسة دحين زم حواتي دلخم دس بالكم سلطة تقبرهم so what I'm using is arugula and spinach this is like a spring mix this is what I eat when it comes to leafy greens but if you guys don't have that it's okay you guys can use romaine lettuce iceberg lettuce whatever lettuce you have I just like using this because I like leafy dark greens and when I eat so anyways so abzi تريدون لكم اليوم ما تخنكم تها حانتي فيديو أولدي أدنى بركو أريكم نرى خميجكم أبغزهم صرحوا نت guacamole إزاي حجي guacamole avocado دسرح so أخيكم رأي وخميجكم صرحوا so what I'm doing is I'm also gonna use a little bit of guacamole Another good source of omega-3s is found in where? Avocados. So I like using avocados. It's pretty much in my, whatever I eat, I always put avocados in it. It's perfect. It's amazing. It's good for you. It's good fatty acids for your brain, for your heart. Good for you overall. So this guacamole, I had posted a video how to make it before. If you saw my vegan bowl, all the details of how to make it is in that video, so you can go and watch that video. Okay, شعو تنقبنا نت فريتات هذا صرحنايو أوخا لعلي أوخا أو كوفكنا بلقنا كم خاتو قبرو زمحواتي قليل. See, I'm telling you مرة قليل زمك بتقول لهم زي أخم دقت قبروا. So what you're gonna do is get the vegan egg that we made, right? You're gonna just place it on top of the guacamole, all right? Super easy, guys. I'm telling you, this is so easy. You can make like 5 of these for your breakfast for like the whole week, you know? Easy. So I'm gonna hot sauce again. Optional እዩ ማለት ትደልኹም ትገብሩኹም የብልኩም ትኾይኑኻ ኣገዳሲ ብዙሕ ኮነን ግን ኣነ ምርር ዝበለ ነገር ፈቱ እየ so I'm going to use sriracha እዚ sriracha ኻ ናይ Japanese hot sauce እዩ ብጣዕሚ እዩ መሪር ፈቱ እየ it's so good መሪር እዩ so I'm going to use some sriracha totally optional you don't need to use it if you have it good if you don't like spicy then don't use it because it is spicy okay and yeah. As you guys can see, very self-explanatory. Now I am going to wrap the wrap. There we go. So حطيت إن لهم wrap يقبل لهم إن تمجبي قليل. There you go. قليل. نسومكم كم دقات. Let's say حمرشة كم دقات تسرحكم نسومكم نكو تسيخم كم دقات. لقيكم نسرحكم دي ونتمرتكم دي ندقكم دو قليل قليل قليل. This is so easy. So like I said, this is a very easy meal to make. You guys can make 4 or 5 of these. And this will be set for you for the whole week. Like, it's easy for you on the go to eat it when you're going to school, going to work. Need it before you go to the gym. It's so easy. Super easy. Super delicious. Very filling. Okay? Mulumati. It's gowakum like tubo megbi. Nit'anahum. Nahangolkum. Nukulu. Tubo. Haji ata hantu hakan atuina. تسرحكم ما خازي أنا قررني تسرحكم ما قال لا لكم خافتوا everybody's gonna love it just let me know if you made it okay okay حجي كريكم خمي جركم to breakfast كلايتي breakfast صرحوا pancakes you is it تريد لكم كا grounded flax seeds you grounded flax seeds to انتعطي عيزي ترى لكم انتعطي the تهرمه انتعطي عيزي so as you guys can see right here these are grounded flax seeds another good source of omega-3s and 6 this is gonna actually be my flex egg so I'm not gonna use any egg for my pancakes so this is how I use a substitute for my eggs so أقول هاي تكمل نزل pancakes وصريح سلزي نزل تاخذ البابا تقرني رسعيوخا So So I'm gonna be using like 1 cup to about 2 cups to make the pancakes. If you're making a lot of pancakes, you're gonna need a lot of flour. So probably like 2 or 3 or 4 based on how many people you're gonna be having. Also you're gonna need some vanilla extracts. Yes, vanilla extracts. So is it whole grain so whole grain حارجيو it's healthy تعالى خنان comes brown عينة too أنا BJ's أجازئيو if you live in America BJ's you can find it if not you can probably find whole grain or whole wheat cake mix not cake mix pancake mix so is a pancake mix whole grain مالت تعالى flour فينو خنان فينو اللي مش الله I don't know wheat تخم تبلو سخم I don't know بتقرني again wheat como عينة تتكمل له so I'm gonna add the flex eggs the vanilla so what I'm using you guys can see I'm gonna add a little bit of water I'm gonna add the flex eggs and the vanilla extracts and I'm gonna just mix very self-explanatory it's just mixing okay just mix it away Okay, the fruits that I'm going to be using is going to be blueberries and strawberries. Blueberry and strawberry fruta. Again, if you guys have apples, you guys can use apples as well. Apples and again because apples كاتجيركم قربتي فلي دبله recipe خون again you guys just use this. So I'm gonna use organic blue agave. This is a natural sweetener. It's a liquid sweetener. It's organic. It's really good. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna put that into the pan right here, as you guys can see. أنا تكمل له is the organic blue agave. Agave درجة خمسة عريد مثل كم زي عري عينته جن شكراوي. So healthy is good for you. Healthy كاب regular sugar suitable سو apt pan كتوه. كأس بالكم هون كتحاول كأس بالكم very medium to low. You guys are gonna cook this up. شعو حنت مانكا coconut oil خاخت كمان. If you don't have coconut oil, you guys can use vegan butter. I rather coconut oil, but you guys can use vegan butter as well. يبلكم تخونوا coconut زيتي. ناي تقوم زيتي لو ناي تقوم تقسم له سخات تقوميهم. So yeah, you guys are just gonna let this cook up. Very low, medium to low heat. Shuru is gonna look like this. Comes shuru like basilu. Keep letting it. Let it cook a little bit more. Okay, let it cook so everything can be soft and that all of the juices from the fruit can go into the syrup. Okay. Okay, so that's the falhe. While this is cooking up, you guys can start making your pancakes. Okay. So for my pancakes, I like to use coconut oil. Better alternative than canola oil and vegetable oil. My preference, I like to use coconut oil or grapeseed oil. يبلكم تخينوا coconut oil or grapeseed oil. So yeah, I'm gonna apply, my pan, put a little bit of that coconut oil, and then I'm going to go and, cook up my pancakes. This is a very simple thing. You're gonna cook it. Once you cook it, you know what to do. This is so simple. Okay, pancake hummus ودقهم. You're gonna stack your pancakes up once you finish making them, okay? So look at them. Woo, I say these are pretty. These are just golden brown. They just look so good. Oh my god. So what you're gonna do is what I'm gonna do. You guys can do this too. It's optional. Optional يمالت. تدلهم تقبل لهم يبلكم تخينوا beautiful coconut milk yogurt alternative كنت كامينا. Izzy nights is vegan yogurt, okay? You guys can apply this on top of your stack if you want. If you don't have it, it's totally optional. You don't have to use it. So what we're gonna do is once you guys put that on top, you're gonna get the sauce. The sauce is قربتي الزحرة لو كفته بلوهم مزحرة قربتي شروع أبتلع علي okay? You guys can add as much sauce as you want. This stuff is amazing. It's not super sweet. It's if you want it to be super sweet, you can add sugar, but I don't like it super sweet. So yeah, there we are. Look at this beauty. It's amazing. Not only does it look good, it tastes good. Okay, شكرا مدبي داتزازا مخير الله. تصايق قبل فتحكم وتخونوا. And I hope you guys like it. تفتحكم share قبروا. تسرحكم خان نقرني إن كمي وتقولكم خان نقرني. So كتر سعو like, comment, share, and subscribe. أبزك أنا وأوان كنا خبنا استثنائي نخلاتكم. Bye, Shukranatad. I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also share this beautiful, amazing, delicious meal.